I'm done. I'm done. I can't take it anymore. I'm finished. I just can't do it anymore, and no one can make me. Hey guys, it's Robin the Lady Biker. How is everyone doing today? Out here on a gorgeous day, just outside of Perth. The heat finally broke. You know I gotta get out on two wheels. But thought I'd stop and tell you a little bit about something that's going on, because I'm done. I'm done. I can't take it anymore. I'm finished. I just can't do it anymore, and no one can make me. You want to know what it was? I am over the GoPro as my primary camera. I mean, seriously, we've all been riding along. Anyone who's a YouTuber or who just has a camera from when they're out riding to catch their beautiful, beautiful rides. We've all been riding along, and there's this beautiful piece of scenery that we want to catch. And we reach up, we turn the camera on, we get almost to that perfect spot, and then this happens. You know what I mean? It's happened to each of us. Or you're riding along and you go to hit your quick start and nothing happens. Absolutely nothing happens. And the only thing you can do to make the camera work again is to open the battery compartment. Oh, here it is. Pull the battery out, put it back in, or change the battery depending on what the situation is. It's so frustrating. And I have, since moving here to Australia, I've lost so much footage because of that. Or how many of us have done this? There's this gorgeous piece that you want to get on film, but it's just off to the side. So you're riding along like this. You know, you're trying really hard to look at the road, but you want to get that piece. It's such a pain in the butt. So, guys, this is me saying, I'm tossing the GoPro as my primary camera. What has happened is that recently, oh my gosh, with my birthday coming up, Allie gifted me with an early birthday present. Check it out, the Insta360. This is the X3, and I've only had it for a couple of weeks, and I've only used it a little bit because I didn't want to use it too much until I got some lens protectors. But it's going to become my primary camera. So especially whenever I've got a chunk of road that I know I want to record, this is going to be the camera that I use. It's going to be the one I use primary for all my back facing. And I'm doing this because, one, it's so much easier to use, but also it's the quality of it and the control of being able to set up the exact frame I want every single time in the editing software. Now, this is not a review video. That's going to be coming later because I am still so new to it and in a huge learning curve, trying to figure out exactly how to edit it, how to change things up, what to do, what not to do. Anyway, so the review video will be coming soon. Hold on. I'm here at a great spot and I'm seeing all these great sports cars. So anyway, that review video is coming in the future. Come on, people. The challenges of recording outdoors. Gotta love it. Okay. So, you know, I'm still getting comfortable with what the editing studio for Insta360 can and cannot do, what shots I want, how to get what I want in that software, and then be able to get that out and into my editing software to really finalize what I want. So there's still a lot that I'm learning about this. But what I've learned about it so far, I'm in love, and I am so, so grateful that Allie went ahead and got this for my birthday. Thank you, honey. I still want a drone. Shh. Somebody kind of reach out to them if you know how to get to them on social media. Let him know he needs to buy me one for my birthday. You know, it is a big birthday. Anyway, guys, so that's really all I wanted to do today, was to pop on real quick and share just, I'm done with it. Now, I still will have the GoPro on my helmet. Ooh, check out what kind of motorcycle. Beautiful. Anyway, I still will have the GoPro on my helmet for whenever I want to do just a real quick grab of something cool. but it's definitely going to become my B-roll camera, and this will be my primary. So for those of you out there that use cameras, whether it be a GoPro, an Insta360, or a drone, or maybe something else, what is your favorite camera and why or why not? All right guys, I'm gonna keep it short, sweet, simple, and to the point, because when this goes live, I will have just gotten back from a fantastic weekend at a beautiful place that hopefully will be sharing with you in the next couple of videos, called Rottnest Island. And you know, maybe you'll get a quick view of a quacker or something, because you know, it is the happiest mammal on earth. Anyway guys, I am gonna do what I set out to do primarily today, which is to get out and enjoy this beautiful day. If you can, get out and ride. When you do, have fun, be safe, and I'm gonna catch you on the next video. Bye guys.